The next book in the series is the book on histology. Histology is the study of the microscopic structure of human anatomy. The subject of histology has a peculiar problem which is not usually seen in any other subject. In particular, gross anatomy deals with structures that are seen by the naked eye. Very easily the student can see and mistakenly, with a short practice, the student will be able to identify the vessels, nerves, muscles, whatever they are. But in histology, the student has to identify the structures as seen in the microscope. Here, the major problem the student is facing is most of the textbooks do not properly describe what is seen in the microscope. What is seen in the microscope is different, what is given in the book is different. The student thinks that what all is read in the book can be seen in the microscope, but unfortunately it is very much different. So that is the biggest difficulty the student is facing. That is why I wrote this book to solve specifically this problem and to make the student appreciate what he is going to see in the microscope, what he is supposed to see in the microscope. There is a saying that the eye can see what the mind knows. This problem I try to solve in this book. Then the next important problem which I have tried to solve in this book is, we have throughout the book we have given three types of pictures. The first type of picture is the color picture of the particular histology. This is the color picture which the student sees in the microscope. Then we gave the same picture in black and white. We gave the same picture in black and white. The reason for this is, in the real slides where we are seeing in the microscope, the quality of the slide differs from one slide to another so much. The color varies so much. So, as an author, as a teacher, I want to impress upon the student that the color should not be given undue importance. That is why we gave a black and white photograph of the same picture so that the student will concentrate on the exact histological features rather than the color. Then the third type of picture we have given is the line diagram. These line diagrams we want the student to exactly reproduce in the exam, whereas also in the manuals. So this type of three types of pictures will help a lot for the students. Again, these are very scientifically planned diagrams which the student can confidently redraw in the manuals as well as their exam. Then the first type of picture is the gross picture. Then the second type of picture is the low power picture, and then the third type of picture is the high power picture. Throughout this book it goes like this. Then another important feature of this book is, we have given on the side of many of the pictures a box with the heading notice. This particular box will tell the student what to look in the diagram, because the student faces the major problem of what is seen in the diagram the student can't understand, and what the student understands or given is not seen properly. So to solve this problem, we have given for every picture we have given a particular box in the same eosin and hematoxylin color, notice. So we want the student to notice these particular points. Then, for example, I tell spleen. The topic of spleen is so much confusing for the students, and students very often commit mistakes. I show you how this problem I have tried to solve. This is the picture of spleen. Notice, what did we write here? Notice, this is the system of lymphatic system that is explained how to identify a slide of a lymphatic system. Notice, no lobulation, no cortex medulla differentiation, and then the last point is red pulp and white pulp. In other books, red pulp and white pulp is unduly emphasized, that the student quite often commit a mistake in this, whereas if according to this plan or strategy, the student cannot do many mistakes. So throughout this book we have explained a histological strategy which I want to follow, which I want the students to follow, so that the mistakes they commit will become very, very few. This is what I want to tell. Thank you.